What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to access all the terminal commands from your terminal. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, first thing you got to do is press escape. When you see this you press Y and now you got to press enter. You have to keep pressing this until you see Z, the last letter of the alphabet, because at the moment we're still on X, Y, Z. There you go. So all the terminal commands on your terminal, I've probably only used about 100 or 200 out of the possible 1,700 and whatever there was. Okay, that's it for this short tutorial. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. I just showed you how to access all the terminal commands from the terminal. Thanks for now.